How to revoke access to shared chats in Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can remove the access of any shared chat in Claude. So if you have shared any particular chat using any particular link, then you can simply disable that link or remove the access of the person using this simple step. So what you will need to do is simply go to the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, which will open this menu. Now from this menu you will need to choose the first option, that is settings. Now once you have choose settings, you can simply go to the privacy tab, and within the privacy tab you have these different options right here. So from here you can see the shared chats option, which includes all of the configurations to manage your shared chats. So click onto this manage option, and from here you can see all of the chats that you have shared. To go to the chat, click onto this chat option so that you can see what's in the chat. If you want to unshare, simply click onto this unshare button, and now you can see that the shared chat has been successfully removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.